Hey everyone, welcome back. It has been a minute since I've done any turning of any kind, but yeah, I am back. I don't know if you remember the bowl I made with the blue resin ridge that exploded. This was the remains of that, and I got so mad when that happened. I literally took it down to almost nothing. So this was actually a really big piece of wood. So this morning I decided I'm going to come out and I'm going to try to turn a tea light. I've got these, and then yeah, I saw this sitting here and I thought, well, might as well finish it off.
I wanna tell you that I think you're looking just fine. I wanna tell you that I want you by my side. The way you move your body, the way I feel inside. I wanna take you for a ride. Wanna be with you. Do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. I wanna say that you are the one I need. I wanna say that you are the one who's making me breathe. I hope that you can stay here. Yeah, you can stay the night. I hope that you can stay with me. Wanna be with you. Do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. If you stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight.
A tiny bit further. I kind of, yeah, there you go. It's about 1 to 2 mil that I need to go deeper. I'm so excited this is working. Oh my god, I'm so easily pleased. Sorry guys, first time trying this, so you know.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit.
I'm actually losing light here. It's nearly 3:30. Yay! That's very cool. It's not snug. Should it be snug? It's got around about a 1 mil gap either side, so it's not falling in, so which is what we want. But then I suppose it needs to be easy to take out to clean. So yeah, I am over the actual moon with that. for my very first tea light. Right, I'm losing light, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna carve a channel because I want resin now that I'm in love with it. I'll work harder on it when I know I love it. I'm gonna just carve my channel and then take it inside to pour the resin, and yeah, tomorrow I will finish the sanding.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. Slow
so I love it, but I don't. I love it, but I didn't. The finish leaves a lot to be desired. I feel like I was sanding it for around about 40 minutes, working up from 80 grit up to 250. Then I went up to 320, and then I added Yorkshire grit and Yorkshire fine. And on top of that, I put wax. Now, it doesn't really show up on camera, but you would have seen it on the lathe. When I moved the black resin with my finger and I got it all over the wood, that stained, and that stained quite deep. I went through 6 80 grit pads to try and get that black stain off, and it wasn't budging. It wasn't budging. So yeah, I mean, it budged a bit. So yeah, I spent a while on it, couldn't get it to go away. I just got it to the point where it wasn't visible on the camera, but I don't know if you can still see it under here. You can just work out there's some black stain. Anyway, cut a long story short, I was not happy. I was not happy with the finish. It looked too formal for me. I'm not really a formal looking kind of, yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I wasn't happy. So I slapped some temporary tattoos on the top, just because I thought, well, I don't like it as it is. I can't like it any less. So let me try it. Let me try and make it prettier. And now I love it. I really, really love it now. The resin, this copper resin looks more orange to me. In the bottle, it looked very copper, but yeah, the close-up just looks orange. It looks like, almost like dark amber. Not the colour I would have wanted, but with the individual tattoos placed down and that copper tea light holder, copper and gold go together, don't they? So these are what I used. I didn't film it because at that point I was just in a zone and I just didn't know if I was going to even keep it or just send it off to my dad, because he'll love anything I make. Sorry, Dad, you know it's true. So yeah, I basically took these. I got these from Amazon, just honestly cheap temporary party tattoos. I got them for my resin, but when I realised they might, if I try, they might stick to these, and all you do is place them upside down and wet the back as if you're putting it on your skin. And then I just slid this away to reveal the tattoos underneath. So guys, I'm gonna need your help. If you've lasted this long, well done. I don't quite know what to seal this with. My plan was to do a top coat in resin. I wanted to give the whole thing a resin coat, but I kind of went against that when I used Wood Wax 22, because I don't think resin will now stick to this. It has been coated in Wood Wax 22. And resin and wax, I don't think they go together. So question is, what can I top coat this with? Do I just leave it? I mean, it's not going to get much wear and tear. It's not like I'm going to be rubbing this a lot anyway. So maybe I could get away with just leaving it. But let me know what you would do if you did try this. But I absolutely love the fact that I've used temporary tattoos. I've not seen it done before. Probably has been done a billion times. I've just not seen it. And yeah, I actually think it just adds so much. Now, I do have a branding iron with my logo. Haven't done that yet because it kind of scares me. So I have to have a go of that when I'm on my own. I can't be filming any flames. I hope you really love this one. It's my first tea light holder. For that, I am so happy. This is loose, so if anyone makes tea light holders, do you make it so that there's a bit of room, or do you generally make it so you've really got to push this in? Does that make sense? Yeah. Let me know if that's okay, and I've done that okay. To me, it just feels like I'm going to be able to take this out and clean it if I need to. So it's all good. So yeah, love it. Hope you love it too. And I will see you in the next video, and I cannot wait to get back on the lathe now. Cannot wait. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you soon.